This one's already dry. This one's different. And I'm more of a penny pasta girl, so I'm just gonna get this pasta. Hi, I'm back and I wanted to eat my fruit mix, this one, because it looks so delicious. I know it's delicious, so I want to eat this as my lunch or brunch. Oh my god, that tastes so good. I bought two goodies from Watson's. Again, just skincare because I don't buy makeup at Watson's. So I bought a clay mask. I want to try this clay mask because I've been keeping my eye on this clay mask, but I still haven't tried it. But now I have to try this one. It's the Beauty Days Brightening Lemon and Tint Clay Mask. And this one from Fresh Skin Lab. This is their Gluta Boost Water Drop Cream. And yeah, so it's a face cream. Also, love to try another skincare. So before I prepare my food for dinner, I'm going to take a rest first, finish this, and maybe after I rest, I'm going to take a bath again because it's so hot. I'll see you guys when I prepare my dinner. I want more. So I just added some mushrooms, and after this I'm gonna put some all-purpose cream because I want it to be creamy. Oops. Saw you.
Wala man mo sa'yo. Ano? Wala man mo sa'yo. Kahit na ang suriyan.
So ako mo gonna prepare.
First God. Ini nih.
Oh, okay. It is obviously the next day now. I'm doing this makeup because I'm filming and I have to fix this mess. Ah.
Abdance ko bagyo. Pangkuan man tani.
Ako.
Pero di sila lalo.
Yum. Wow, that looks so good. Drinking tea. It's actually with ginger and I put some Lipton green tea. I want to try this one from Celatec. This is the brightening facial wash with niacinamide and vitamins C and E. I've never tried this one, so I hope it works in my my combination skin. I don't have a holy grail facial wash, but I am looking for like the facial wash that really suits my skin type. My sister told me to just wipe my face with paper napkin. Actually, this is toilet paper because it is very harsh for your skin if you use towel to wipe your face. And she said she'll just let her skin dry. I mean, she's okay with the water on her face, but you know, I'm going to apply mask later, so I'm just gonna use this toilet napkin to pat my skin dry. So I'm gonna use this one. This is from Beauty Dates or Beauty Dose. Oh yeah, it's Beauty Dose. So this is the lemon and mint clay mask. I'm gonna want to try this one. It's colored pink. Smells so minty. Now that I'm in my early 30s, so I have to take care of my skin. I have to pay attention of what my skin needs because I'm getting older. I should have taken care of my skin since when I was a teenager, but you know, in my teenage years, I don't know anything about skincare. Nothing. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this dry for, it says here 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll be back after 10 or 15 minutes. Guys, that clay mask has a very cooling sensation to the skin. It's not really that bothering for me. It is just new to me because I've never tried any clay mask with a very cooling sensation. So as always, Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. I always apply this on my driest part. This part of my face is the driest. Dry. And once that's already set in my skin, I'm gonna use this one. It has a gel to water consistency. And apply this to the face. It is my third time of using this castor oil eyelash and brow growth serum. I didn't see any changes yet, but we'll just keep on using this. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I can't believe I'm always ending my vlog in the bathroom. Oh, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys have a good day. Bye!